Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. So you may be wondering where I am today. So I recently visited Isuaniocha in Awka to go and see the latest updates of the road construction that is currently going on in that particular location. So I'm making this video from somewhere, but not in that particular place, but I've already captured whatever I need from there. So when I arrived there, I noticed that the last time I visited, they were constructing gutters at both sides of the road. The road that leads to that Isuaniocha. They were construction of gutter along that road. And when I get there, I noticed that some of the construction of the gutter has been completed, but honestly speaking, from what I saw, it's not encouraging at all. Like, if you watch my video closely, we find out that the gutters has been completed, but the road has not been fixed, and the erosion are not flowing the gutter, they are just flowing the road, and they are making a very big holes within that road, making it very somehow risky for motorists to use. Then proceeded from this particular location to the Isuaniocha town itself. We found out that some of the tied road, because the last time I visited, all this road, like the Isuaniocha road, we are tied. The old tied road we are there, but this second time that I visited there, I noticed that the whole tied road has been removed. The tied road are not there anymore. They have been scraped out, and the new one is about to be put in place. But I also find out something which some people, according to the eyewitness, say they should have gone far from in the construction of that road. But the reason why the road was still this like this is because they were not doing the normal thing. They were not doing what they were paid for, or maybe they were doing something that is below the quality of what they were paid for. So the governor, which is the governor Soludo, has to come and put the work at stop. That the road is not wide, that is too tiny or something. So he has to come and put the road at stop. So but when I arrived there, I noticed that they have some sections have resumed work. So which I believe maybe they have sorted out the problems they have with the governor. So some of the sections have resumed their work. That's why in this video we see some certain places where you find caterpillar, but not all the whole sections, just a few portion of somewhere is where I find the caterpillars doing their work. But honestly, the whole tide road has been scraped out. They have scraped out the whole tide road. That's what you find out here. And the gutters, I think the gutters has been completed, remaining some sections, you know. So, but one thing I don't like about the whole thing I saw there is that assuming they know that they are not yet ready to, pick up work immediately, they shouldn't have scraped out the previous tide road there until they are ready, because right now motorists can no longer, they are not longer enjoying using that particular route. They are no longer enjoying it. When you are passing through that particular route, there's so much gallops and so much spoiled sections and the rest over there. So it's somehow, not okay at all when we visited. So, but I believe if they have, implemented what the governor complained about and the work fully resumed, they should try and, fix the whole thing so that motors can be able to run there free and through without any problem. And like I said earlier, at that road that is leading to Isuaniocha, that particular side is also becoming little dangerous for motorists. It's no longer wide because erosion have chopped some section of that road. So something should be done so quickly and as possible, to enable motorists make use of that road smoothly. So this is all I found out. In my next video, I'll be showing you the glimpse of I think Okbunotan, because I headed from that Isuaniocha down to either Okbuno side or something. I do not remember the name of the town, but in my next video I'll be showing you the glimpse of that particular town. That particular side, the road outside, everything is still intact. Understand? So I just show you the glimpse of the town. I do not capture the whole of the town, just a glimpse along the road and some few section of the street. And that is it, guys. So kindly drop your comment if you stay around this area or what you think about this road update. And again, I'll still be bringing to you the latest updates and what I find out in the ongoing construction of the new government house in Awka, Anambra State. Don't forget to sub to our channel, click on the notification button, click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish a new video. Don't forget to share our video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop your own comment. Thanks and have a lovely day, guys. Bye.